Protect your employees from injury and fatigue with an adjusting ergonomic worker chair. The chairs adjust comfortably for different heights, allowing employees to work without bending over. The models are adjustable in 2-inch increments, from a low crouch to a standing position with a simple crossbar attachment design, and are ideal for any type of environment. The chairs are constructed with 4 rubber shocks under the seat base, which allows the seat to tilt forward, left, and right, so it can accommodate our body movements and a more natural posture position. Additionally, the swivel model features a swivel seat for added maneuverability, while the caster model includes casters for portability from workstation to workstation. Folds up to 4-inch profile for easy portability and storage. Simply unfold the rear legs and slide the contoured padded seat to the desired ergonomic height. 5 different models are available today. Help your workers be more productive with an adjusting ergonomic worker chair.